Hello, my friends. So, this is my first recording using this software. So, if things do not go well, I need to be excused. So, I'll take this time to introduce this library that I am writing. This library is called Bilza and it is available here on NPM. Let me show you. This is still being developed, but most of the features that I want to be present in this library are there. So this is library in pretty uh, it is like in pretty embryonic stages, but it is usable. uh, if you go and visit this samples page, I hope it is functional. uh, yes, it is functional, but I was looking for this page. I think I should remove this. Okay. So these are some of the samples that I have made using this library, and we will look at some of them and show you what it can do. And then we will, like in next few videos, then I'll uh, create some small projects. So let's look at this particle system. So here we have two particle systems. And this library is completely standalone. So here we have two particle system. Both the particle systems have its own width and height, and their uh, properties have been individually set so we can simulate different particles. Let's look at some text based, like this is a demo for raw text. We have two different type of text in this library. We'll see that later. So this is shrinking and growing of text. It has actually not loaded properly. That is why it is like it it does not feel smooth. But if we allow it to load properly, and this is in the cache, then it works pretty well. Let's try it once again. And I must highlight that drawing text is very expensive for the canvas, so obviously text is not as smooth as sprites are. Let's look at uh, random colors. Now this, I think, just generate random colors. The background will have random colors. So this is just display of some of its characteristics and potential. And here is the code for it, and you can see it's just simple few lines of code. The library is very easy to use. Let's look at this. Yeah, this one, static grid, this one I like. Now, in this example, we draw a grid and then we increase the size of its uh, rectangles. And then at one point, then we collapse the entire grid. So it creates a very beautiful effect. And now if you look at the code, you'll see that it is not that difficult to make out that just few lines of code has created this effect. So in next few videos, I'll like to start with small hello world sort of examples, and I'll introduce this library to you. This The basic purpose of Bilza library is to enable users quickly create animations on HTML5 canvas. So hope to see you in the next video. Thank you.